ako sa SM City Jensen for the community launching and press presentation ng Kalilangan 2015 with Kuya Ren. Alright, so andito na si Mayor and ibang staff ng Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges na host ngayon sa ating Kalilangan Festival 2015.
Much as possible, make this Kalilangan parang a start for the application of our festival.
We would like to commend Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges for definitely having parang concrete na media plan.
Okay naman po yung naging patakbo ng ating flea market, sir. We made sure na lahat pantay-pantay, equal. Actually, umorder pa po tayo ng additional tents just to cater more of them para lahat po mabigyan po ng pwesto.
And as for the politics, I hope naiintindihan ninyo sa sobrang dami na gustong pumasok, medyo minsan talaga may misunderstanding. Pero that is also one issue that the festival board would hope to answer, to mag-give solution to para ma-regularize, ma-institutionalize ang ating mga pag-process and pag-filter kung ano ang mga pwede natin ipasok sa flea market.
Ating PNP officers po is busy deploying their men at the oval grounds. Kasi ngayon po yung ating soft opening. The flea market will start operating as well as the carnival po. So nagse-set up po sila doon. Pinagbubuti po nila yung mga post nila sa entrance and exit, as well as ina-assess po nila kung paano nila madidistribute yung kanilang mga tauhan sa ating sa mga list of events.
And yung ating media plan po ay collaboration between RMMC and our representative from the city to be handled by Attorney Glenda Narcilia. So as ang among hangyo sa mga kaigsuunan ng mga media, if you have any questions or na may gusto kung unsay inyong limitation or what you can do to help promote our kanilangan, you can bring your concern directly to Attorney Glenda Narcilia or of course to our festival director, Mr. Martin Villar.
Sa RMMC po, meron po kaming annual College Day celebration na halos tumbok din po sa Kalilangan. So what we did is we integrated that, what we call RMMC Kalilangan, RMMC Kalingawan sa Kalilangan. Pinasok po namin yung mga events, mga programs po ng RMMC isali sa Kalilangan.
We were able to get, as of last year, from October, November, December, ang ating tourist arrival. We had 187,000 tourist arrivals. And large, we think na that was June sa ating mga, not only ating mga convention, but also sa ating Tuna Fest, sa ating Tuna Congress, and other mga activities that we had last year. And we can just imagine with 100,000 plus people coming in from our city, spending their money here, staying here in our hotel, eating in our restaurant. Yan yung ating ina-expect na ROI natin for the city. Our Kalilangan Festival is our way of giving back because we have Kalilangan because we are celebrating our foundation. So yun yung trust ng ating festival.
More than 100% ready for this po. Lalo na ngayon na MOA signing na po, so we're really 100% or more na go na po talaga.
As far as the contract of MSU with us with regards to the MOA, hindi pa po siya nag-expire. But as per MSU, they are now busy with their academe. So in terms of the legwork and the preparation for Kalilangan, medyo hindi na nila kaya. Kung kaya man, baka hindi ganun kasaya yung Kalilangan natin. That is why, medyo yung MOA signing natin, medyo nabitin ngayong araw lang. Supposedly, it is done way back before pa. Now, when MSU let go of the Kalilangan, we had it published for bidding. Now, there were 3 schools to bid. We invited. And then, one is Ramon Magsaysay, of course. One is Notre Dame and Holy Trinity College. So, yung dalawa nag-beg off since they are not experienced to do such big event. But we are fortunate that RMMC stood up and then made partner with us to host this Kalilangan Festival 2015.
Good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Mapita sa lakado lang ako na lusog ko sa dyan, mga Maguindanon. Pio Flavos de Queblaan. Mayong buntag sa mga Kristanos. Ang masabi ko lang sa Kalilangan Festival, kahit wala tayong mga security, lahat tayo magtulungan tayo para maganda rin yung natin sa festival, no? Ako sa akin lang hindi ko matakot dahil may Diyos, ha? Dahil pinanganak tayo ng Diyos sa buong mundo.
Sana lang po, maintindihan po ng ating mga ibang event managers na hindi po talaga natin naipasok lahat ng highlight dito dahil nga po nagkukumakain
Festival Kalilangan 2015 and invite also your friends, relatives naman to come over to General Santos City for the Kalilangan 2015. Thank you and good morning.
In behalf of the LGU and RNMC, we would like to invite everyone to the Kalilangan 2015. And to the media partners, salamat po. Kasama po kayo sa sa pag-promote. And then to everyone, if you have social media, pwede po natin spread the word about Kalilangan 2015 para mas masaya, mas maraming pumunta. Salamat po.
Ang Kalilangan through the years ay isang masarap na po na lutuin. Isang delicious dish na pinasarap pa po sa maraming taon. This year po, we will even spice it up for the generals. Meron po kaming dinagdag na signature po ng RMMC. Rest assured po, hindi po tayo mabibigo sa pagpapasaya sa ating mga generals.
Masusubok pa yung tatag ng ating pagsasamahan.
Alright, the event is done and my lunch daw yung media press people sa Grab a Grab. Maraming salamat naman. Anyway, eto si Emily. I'm with Emily. Wait lang, walang focus. Ayan. Isa sa mga kumanta ng team song ng bagong Kalilangan 2015 team song na Kalilangan. Diba? Hi, hello. Kuya Ren, isa sa mga kasama ko lang, hindi kumanta. So, ang tanging tanong lamang para sa Kalilangan 2015 is, anong K mo? Ikaw ba anong K mo? So, yun lang naman. Use the hashtag Kalilangan 2015 and of course, that is in partnership with RMMC or Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges for this year's Kalilangan 2015. Anong K mo? Kagandahan, kalingawan, kalusugan, di ba? Oh, kasi naka-department of health. Ay, hindi. So, gotta go. It's love month, it's February. Congratulations. And sana naman, ang K nyo ay ano bang K para sa mga nagmamahalan? Kaibigan, di ba? Or kilig. Anong K mo?